Alright. Biddybuddy's first morning here, and Cosmas is saying, hello. We're not introducing them to each other quite yet face to face, but they're somewhat aware. Somewhat aware of each other. I'm trying to get Biddybuddy to eat the food. He's been a little nervous though. I did have Cosmas eating out of my hand right up against his cage though. Just to show that the hand is safe. The hand is safe. I think they like each other though. I think if they didn't like each other, Cosmas wouldn't be crawling around the cage like she does. Say hello, Cosmas. There's a Christmas tree in the background. Pretty soon we'll let them both out to play. We'll just have to get Biddybuddy a little bit more socialized with us first. Otherwise they bond. They bond to each other and they ignore us. Well, Cosmos basically already ignores us, but give a tweet, Cosmos? Nope.